Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best infant car seats that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Maxi-Cosi Pria all-in-one infant car seat. The Maxi-Cosi Pria all-in-one convertible car seat offers a dependable travel option that grows with your child from infancy through their early years. Suitable for newborns, toddlers, and older children, it smoothly changes from a rear-facing position for infants starting at 4 pounds to a forward-facing seat for children up to 65 pounds, and finally to a booster seat for children up to 100 pounds. This thoughtful design ensures long-term use while keeping your child comfortable and secure. Made with soft yet strong Maxi-Cosi fabrics, the seat provides a cozy experience without the use of wool or added fire retardants, making it a safer choice for both your child and the environment. The material is machine washable and dryable, making cleaning simple for busy families. Harness holders keep straps neatly out of the way, helping parents place their child in the seat with ease. The plush infant pillows add extra support for smaller passengers and can be removed as your child grows. The quick-fit headrest and harness system adjusts in one step, allowing the seat to adapt as your child's size changes. Recline fit options offer a relaxed position, adding to comfort during longer trips. Compact enough to fit well in most vehicles while still providing ample room for your child, this car seat combines practicality with lasting value. Designed for everyday convenience and safety, it is an ideal travel companion for parents seeking a reliable and adaptable seating solution. In our list, the number 2 product name is Chicco KeyFit ClearTex Infant Car Seat. The Chicco KeyFit 35-zip ClearTex Infant Car Seat is designed to provide a safe and comfortable travel solution for babies from their first ride home. Suitable for infants starting at 4 pounds, it supports rear-facing use up to 35 pounds and accommodates growth up to 32 inches tall. The seat offers generous headrest height and legroom, allowing your child to remain rear-facing for a longer period while ensuring a secure fit for every journey. Crafted with ClearTex fabrics, this car seat avoids added chemicals, offering a gentle and breathable environment for your baby. It is GreenGuard Gold certified, meaning it contributes to better air quality. The canopy includes a zip-open full-coverage privacy shield and mesh ventilation for added comfort during travel. The quick-remove seat pad is machine washable, making cleaning simple for busy parents. An ergonomic infant head and body support insert provides a snug fit for smaller babies, and it can be removed as your child grows. The integrated anti-rebound bar improves stability and offers extra legroom. Installation is made easier with a range of helpful design elements that ensure proper positioning and security in the vehicle seat. The carrier clicks securely into the included stay-in-car base and connects seamlessly with compatible Chicco strollers, creating a practical travel system. Built for both convenience and safety, this infant car seat combines thoughtful design with dependable performance, making it an ideal choice for everyday family travel needs. In our list, the number 3 product name is Clek Liing Adjustable Infant Car Seat. The Clek Liing Infant Car Seat delivers a secure and comfortable travel experience for newborns while maintaining a sleek and compact design. Made in Canada, it reflects high-quality craftsmanship, advanced engineering, and safety features inspired by luxury automotive seating. Designed for rear-facing use, this seat ensures that infants travel in a protective and supportive position from their very first ride. Its slim profile allows for 3-across seating, making it ideal for families needing space efficiency without sacrificing safety or comfort. The lightweight carrier connects easily with most stroller brands, creating a versatile travel system. Multiple recline positions help achieve the perfect angle, whether the vehicle seat is flat or sloped, ensuring your baby remains properly positioned on every trip. Built with energy-absorbing foam and a reinforced structure, the seat offers superior side impact protection. The integrated metal load leg enhances stability and reduces crash forces, adding another layer of safety during travel. The rigid latch installation provides a strong and simple attachment, helping caregivers secure the seat with confidence. Tailored with Krypton C0 Plus performance fabric, the seat resists stains, moisture, and odors while being free from harmful chemicals. The removable cover makes cleaning straightforward, keeping the seat fresh and ready for use. With its thoughtful design, durable materials, and long-lasting reliability, the Clek Liing infant car seat supports both safety and convenience, giving parents peace of mind while their little one travels in comfort. In our list, the number 4 product name is Evenflo LiteMax DLX Infant Car Seat. The Evenflo LiteMax DLX Infant Car Seat combines trusted safety with everyday comfort for newborn travel. Designed for rear-facing use, it supports infants from 4 pounds up to 35 pounds and accommodates growth up to 32 inches tall. The thoughtful construction provides stability during every ride while allowing parents to transport their child with ease. Its lightweight build and ergonomic handle make carrying simpler, while the secure base enhances protection through advanced technology that helps minimize movement during sudden stops or impacts. The seat features an easy-to-adjust harness that moves without the need to remove and rethread straps, ensuring a proper fit as your baby grows. Crafted with free-flow cooling mesh fabric, the seat promotes air circulation to keep your little one comfortable and dry during both short and long trips. The durable polyester material is designed to withstand regular use while maintaining a fresh and clean feel. Tested to exceed federal safety requirements, this seat undergoes rollover, temperature, and impact testing at energy levels approximately twice the government standard. This rigorous approach offers peace of mind to parents seeking dependable protection for their child. Evenflo's century-long dedication to innovation ensures that the LiteMax DLX infant car seat not only meets modern safety expectations, but also provides convenience for busy families. Its compatibility with professional installation support gives caregivers confidence that every journey starts with proper setup and maximum security for their most precious passenger. In our list, the number 5 product name is UPPAbaby Mesa V2 Infant Car Seat. The UPPAbaby Mesa V2 Infant Car Seat is crafted to combine dependable safety with ease of use for newborn travel. Designed for rear-facing positioning, it supports infants from 4 pounds up to 35 pounds and accommodates growth up to 32 inches in height. The seat integrates enhanced head protection with reinforced foam, helping absorb impact energy while keeping your baby secure during every ride. Its compact yet versatile design works seamlessly with compatible UPPAbaby strollers, allowing a smooth transition from car to strolling without the need for adapters. The integrated canopy provides UPF 25 plus sun protection and tucks away neatly when not in use. The included infant insert ensures a snug and supportive fit for smaller babies, particularly preemies and newborns weighing between 4 and 11 pounds. Installation is made simple with the Smart Secure system, which features auto-retracting latch connectors and a clear red to green indicator to confirm correct setup. The harness adjusts without rethreading, ensuring a proper fit as your baby grows. The seat is built with fabrics free from fire-retardant chemicals, offering a breathable and comfortable environment for your child. Weighing under 10 pounds, the carrier is easy to handle while still delivering strong performance and stability. The thoughtful design includes a quick release button for effortless detachment from the stroller frame, as well as storage pockets for harness buckles. This combination of safety, comfort, and convenience makes it an excellent choice for modern families. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.